Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the video format before posting it on TikTok. So here I've already opened my TikTok apps, and let's say I want to upload or post a video. So I'm going to just click on the plus icon and then choose the video. Okay, so here is the video that I want to post, but I want to change the format from landscape into portrait. So just click on next and click on edit. Here on the right panel you can see edit, click on that and click on the video in a timeline, then tap on crop. So here you can just choose the new format. Because I want to change it into portrait, I'm going to just use this TikTok format, default format 9:16, and after that you can adjust the position. Click on save. Now click on next again at the top right corner, and this is the preview. Now my video will looks like this. It's now on portrait format. So after that you can just click on pause. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.